Hello everyone. Today, me and Johnny, we're gonna go around looking for some nice cars in a nice neighborhood. So we're gonna see what we can find. It's pretty cold, snowy. I'm guessing all the nice cars are in garages, but yeah, people still have to drive. So let's see what we can find. Maybe we can find some other places to have some fun. Who knows? Anyway, check it out. Enjoy the video. You hear that? Hear that creaking?
Yep.
That's crazy. Listen to it. That's pretty bad. So I guess this is a flaw in BMW. Okay, this is the fix. You ready? This is what my brother told me to do. He told me to put something like a sponge or something, but here, look at this. This is what I'm gonna do. This, my glove, flap this down. And you stick that in there.
Epic fix.
And that's gonna fix it. Let's see, we're gonna start driving now. Oh, I don't hear any more squeaking. Do you?
I hear no more.
That's how you fix a BMW.
You stuff a glove inside of anything.
Yeah. This guy's got some style. Look. He's got
Look at the back of
He's got a
his truck.
Discovery, and he's got a Lincoln Navigator, newer one. Not bad, decent.
Look, a
And he's got a BMW with a separate garage. Nice. What do we have? Yukon XL. Is it a Denali? Yeah, but look.
A limo.
Hey, he's got a limo, but he's got a GTS. He's got a Cayenne GTS. That thing's sweet. It's got winter tires on it. He's got a limo, and what's the best vehicle in the driveway?
The Toyota.
Toyota 4Runner Limited. Here we go, Jeep lovers.
Yeah, there's another Jeep.
Yeah, what do you think of that one?
Yes.
Decent. Give you kudos for being different than the rest of the neighborhood. Q7, pretty new. Nice, right? Decent.
Yeah.
Check it out. All right. Props to that. Better than most of the other ones we've seen around here.
What?
What do you think of the CLS 55, Johnny, the black one over here?
I don't know my Mercedes.
It's AMG. It's nice. It's an older AMG, but decent. S5 cab. Two.
What?
One for each garage.
What the?
We got a redneck.
We got a crazy.
We got a Range Rover, Land Rover. What is it?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Range Rover.
Decent, decent.